Hey everyone, welcome back. If the BMO app keeps crashing on your phone, it usually means that it's a software conflict. First, restart your phone to clear background errors. Then, head over to your app store, search for BMO, and check for updates. If there are updates, make sure to update your app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. And also make sure to update your phone's operating system. If you're on Android, clear the app cache from your phone settings. On iPhone, go ahead and long press on the BMO banking app icon and then delete app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for BMO and then reinstall your app from there. Avoid using beta versions of your phone software as they can cause app instability. After reinstalling, open the app, log in again and test the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more.